Hello, today we'll be showing how to install PEX Crimp Rings onto PEX piping and fittings. First, we have to cut the PEX piping. So take your PEX cutter and your piping and just make sure that the cut you make is a clean and squared cut. You do want to make sure that it has a nice smooth edge and straight. Next, you want to slide your PEX crimp ring onto the PEX piping. This one here is a copper crimp ring. We're going to slide it on, and whenever you do this, you want to leave about 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch from the end of the PEX piping. Next, insert your PEX fitting into the PEX piping. This is a brass elbow. We're going to insert it and make sure that there's still that 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch space between the end of the pipe and the ring. This will allow for room for the ring to bite onto the barbs of the fitting. Now use your tool and secure the ring onto the piping and fitting. Next, inspect your crimp. Make sure that the ring and fitting are both straight and installed properly onto the piping. Next, we want to inspect our crimps to make sure that they are done properly and are all secure. Take your go/no-go gauge and slide your crimped ring into the gauge itself. It should fit fully into the gauge, but not all the way in. The ring should not touch the inner circle of the gauge, and if it does, then your crimp is too tight and needs to be redone.